Finally, we will solve a problem using variation. And here's our problem. The distance s that an object falls is directly proportional to the square of the time t of the fall. If an object falls 16 feet in 1 second, how far will it fall in 3 seconds? How long will it take for an object to fall 64 feet? So let's structure the general formula for this variation. And so the distance s that an object falls is directly proportional, k, to the square of the time, t squared. And we're given that if an object falls 16 feet, so s equals 16 in 1 second, t equals 1. We'll use this information to determine what k is. But first let's solve for k. So k equals s over t squared. Replacing s with 16 and t with 1, 1 squared is 1, we get k equals 16. Now we know that the general formula for the variation is s equals 16t squared. Next, how far will it fall in 3 seconds? So we'll let t equal 3, and so t squared equals 9, and so s of 3 equals 16 times 3 squared, which is 9. So in 3 seconds, 9 times 16 is 144. The object will fall 144 feet. We have one question remaining. How long will it take an object to fall 64 feet? So we have this, that s equals 16t squared. And we are going to let s equals 64. That's 64 feet. And we have to solve for t. So 16t squared equals, and replacing s with 64, we will now divide both sides by 16. The 16s divide out, and we have t squared equals, and 64 divided by 16 is 4. So the solution to this will take the square root of both sides. We get t equals, and the square root of 4 is 2. So that's going to turn into, we'll interpret that as 2 seconds. So in 2 seconds, this object will fall 64 feet, and we are done.